If he sneezes, you call your
I'm not
ex.
calling my ex again.
What do you mean again?
1. Woo. Come here. Ugh.
You accidentally took out
That
2.
that's not my fault.
Okay, then we're gonna leave that there. 1.
Nah, that's cheating. 1.
Careful. 1. Digging in his nose. Damn.
1 again.
Who's gonna get 2?
Oh, that's a dark one.
2. No.
Yeah. He's gonna sneeze. He's gonna sneeze.
Oh, 1.
No.
I have to dig in there. 2.
What?
Oh. 1.
There's no way, bro.